Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom face and body hair trimmer. First, ensure your device is fully charged to avoid interruptions during your grooming session. Next, prepare your skin by cleansing and drying the area you intend to trim. This helps prevent irritation and ensures a smooth glide. Finally, choose the correct attachment head for the specific hair length you want to achieve. For effective trimming, hold your Bloom trimmer at a slight angle, around a 45-degree position, against your skin. Guide the trimmer slowly and steadily against the direction of your hair growth. This technique helps to capture and cut hairs efficiently. Remember to apply gentle, even pressure to ensure a consistent and smooth trim across the entire area. When trimming facial hair, opt for the smaller attachment heads for precision, especially around eyebrows or the upper lip. For body hair, larger guards will cover more area quickly and efficiently. Always stretch your skin taut in sensitive or uneven areas. This creates a flat surface, allowing for a closer, safer trim and reducing the risk of nicks or irritation. Proper cleaning extends your Bloom trimmer's life. After each use, detach the trimmer heads and rinse them thoroughly under running water to remove hair and debris. Utilize the small cleaning brush provided to dislodge any stubborn hairs caught within the blades. Finally, ensure the device is completely dry before storing it in a cool, dry place, ready for your next grooming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.